Hello, how are you? It's Ching. We're gonna finish the classical Yang style Taiji Chuan today. So I have taught you all the way to movement 19. So today we're going to do 20, 21, and 22. 22 is actually the finished movement. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to start from the beginning to show you the whole thing. Now I'll break down the last three movements. Then I'll show you one more time, okay? And next week, we can just keep practicing the whole phrase. Then we keep going on to breaking a lot of movement down so you can practice individual movement too, and to get really good with balancing, coordination, right? The breath, or lots of things involved. So you already know. So I'm going to stop talking now and just go right to the exercise, which is the first part. There are three parts, remember? So the first part, the 22 movements for the first part of Yang's classical Yang style Taiji Chuan, and altogether three. So when you really learn the whole thing, it's 113 movements. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start. The wind start picking up a little bit, so it's a nice challenge. Okay, so you ready? So I'm stand nice and tall, inhale. Reverse it down the breathing and bend my knee. And slowly pick up the left leg, take it to the side. I get myself all set, focus, inhale. And second, reverse it down the breathing, exhale, going to the Wuji position. We'll call it no extremity. Beginning of the Taiji, inhale. A nice little spiral movement in the forearm. Continue transfer your weight, and you're going to grasp bilaterals right. So it's 右揽雀尾. Then a little kick. You're going to the 左揽雀尾. Here's Pong. And here we go, roll back. Little signature piece. And the press. And settle the wrist, single whip. Finishing up the single whip. Ready? Lift hand to up posture. 提手上势. Crane spreads wings. 白鹤亮翅. Rotate the body, brush and step forward. Continue going the very first, playing the lute. Brush the left knee again, and then step forward. Circle the left arm, twist the body. Kind of like sitting cross-legged, brush the right knee. 右搂膝熬步. Twist the body. Again, 左搂膝熬步. So brush the left knee, step forward. Okay, ready? Second time, playing the lute. Again, brush the left knee and step forward. Twist the body, circle the fist. Ready? Little kick and punch, pull back, deflect, pairing, and punch. Today's movement is called seal tightly. You go into the 四六步, and then here you go, finish in the arrow stance. Here's a famous movement called embrace the tiger. Return to the mountain. And you finish the Taiji. So that's the whole first part. Here we go. So we're going to talk about the seal tightly, which in Chinese we call 如风势壁. Embrace the tiger, embrace the tiger, return to the mountain. So 抱虎归山. Tiger is, in old days, right? Human and the animal kind of sharing the world together. There's always danger places, danger time, and we have to be so resilient and quick thinking, react to the situation. So if you can embrace the tiger, okay, pretty much fighting with the tiger, getting nice hugging, or maybe make good friends. So what happened is this movement, the embrace the tiger, you kind of calm down. You're gonna flip somebody's leg a little bit, take the root off. So especially if they're bigger than you, right? You go down, it's easier. So flip. And then you can return to the mountain nice and safe. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the seal tightly. So 如风势壁. So here we go. Let me go this. So after the second time you playing the lute, you one more brush the left knee. So you will twist the body, circle the fist. You ready? Here we go. I'm going to try to balance a little better. And here we go. Kick, deflect, pairing, punch. This is very close distance. Seal tight. You can see my left arm goes right under my right elbow. The right arm twists because somebody's grabbing me. So as soon as I offer my fist, they see the opportunity. The only way to get out is a nice spiral. And shift your weight back a little bit. And then you prepare a little bit, saddle the wrist. Embrace the tiger. And return to the mountain. You finish the Taiji. It's kind of like a martial arts moonwalk. So that when we do this, we can kick things away, right? So you can see all the rocks too. So I won't trip over by not feeling them. So this walk is pretty much how to feel the ground that you're surrounding. I'm going to do one more time of the whole set. Then you just keep practicing. And I'll see you next week. Okay, so we're going to start one more time. Here we go. Reverse it down the breathing, prepare. Inhale one more. So into Wuji position, inhale. It's a lot of spiral happen. So we don't look like mechanical robots, right? You're gonna go right there. Kick. 左揽侧尾, grasp bell tails left. Pong. Another pong this side. And this is roll back. Circle. Ji. And saddle the wrist. Single whip. Nice little whipping sensation from the leg all the way to your hands. Lift hand to up posture. Crane spreads wing. 白鹤亮翅. Brush the left knee and step forward. Playing the lute. Keep that balance on that leg so the left leg can pick it up and lower. Brush the left knee again, step forward. Circle the left arm, twist the body. Balance first so you can brush the right leg. 右搂膝熬步. Here we go. 左搂膝熬步. So brush the left knee. Step forward. The second time playing the lute. Again, so there's a lot of brush knee on the first part, and go. You twist the body, circle the fist, right? So the fist circle. You turn around, deflect, you step forward, pairing punch. Here goes, seal tightly. Inhale, exhale. Embrace the tiger. Return to the mountain. Close the Taiji. Return nice and tall. So that's the whole first part. Just keep practicing, and I will see you next week. Take good care.